Hopefully you saw my video yesterday announcing Speed Test G, this new system that I've devised that takes the best of speed tests and the best of benchmarks and creates a new system for testing the real-life performance of smartphones. And today we're going to be testing the Mate 20 Pro from Huawei and the Pixel 3 XL from Google. So if you're ready, let the testing begin. Both these devices are relatively new and they both run Android. However, of course, on the inside, they are quite different. On the inside of the Mate 20 Pro, we have the Kirin 980. That's a 7nm chip produced by Huawei itself. And it's based on the Cortex A76 and the Cortex A55 in an octa-core configuration using 2+2+4. And it also has the Mali G76 MP10 for the GPU and 8GB of memory. Now on the other side, we've got the Pixel 3 XL, which of course has got the Snapdragon 845, which is built on a 10nm process, and it's a much more traditional octa-core setup with 4 Cortex A75 cores and 4 Cortex A55 cores, and of course it has Qualcomm's own Adreno GPU. So this battle will really come down to two things. How good is the latest CPU in the Kirin 980 compared to the CPU in the Snapdragon 845, and how does the GPU in the Kirin 980 do compared to the GPU in the Snapdragon 845. So this is a 7nm processor announced just recently, comparing it to the 10nm processor that Qualcomm announced last December. Which one will come out on top? Well, without any more waiting, let's find out. Okay, so let's go. We've got the Mate 20 Pro on the left and the Pixel 3 XL on the right. The tests are already going. Looks like the Mate 20 Pro has gone into an early lead. It's now on the 2048. Let's see how long it takes to the Pixel 3. Right, the Pixel 3 is now on 2048. The Mate 20 Pro still in the lead. Up now comes the bloom test. The bloom test is running quite nice now on the Mate 20 Pro and the Pixel 3 as well. So the Mate 20 Pro still in the lead at this stage. Let's see what happens further down the test. So SQLite test, wow, that was fast. That just came and went straight away. Does seem to be a little slower there on the Pixel 3. Both of them now in the cubes test. Let's see whether the Mate 20 Pro can maintain its lead. Let's just see how far ahead it is at the next test to see whether we can spot how quickly this test is ahead. 16 thread test. Let's count the seconds now. 1 second, 2 seconds. Looks like a 2, maybe 3 second lead there by the Mate 20 Pro at the moment. Let's see whether their 3D test makes any difference. Now, there's quite a lot of talk about the difference in the GPU in the Mate 20 Pro and the GPU in the Pixel 3 XL. At the moment, the Mate 20 Pro has gone into that test ahead of the Pixel 3. Let's see whether the Pixel 3 can actually get through this scene any quicker. Looks pretty smooth on both devices at the moment. Let's see whether the Pixel 3 can start to catch up. Still behind at the moment. And there we're going towards the statue on the left, the statue on the right. Oh, and they're both going down towards that black skull on the river there. Very, very similar time. And actually, I do believe that the Pixel 3 is going to the lead. Look at that. The sun came up quicker there on the Pixel 3, where now it looks like the Mate Pro is stuttering a little bit there, going to the end scene there. And that's it. The Pixel 3 is finished. So it's taken the lead over the Mate 20 Pro. This is absolutely amazing. It's running the compression test. What will its final time be? And there you have it. 1 minute and 49 seconds. The Mate 20 Pro is still running there, the GPU test. Right, it's now into the compression test. What's the final time going to be? How far behind did it come in at the very end? Let's see. 2 minutes and 1 second, making it a 12-second difference. And so, well, that was quite a result, wasn't it? Clearly, the Kirin 980 is the better when it comes to CPU design. It really took an early lead over the Snapdragon 845 there. But right at the very end there, on that long GPU test, the Pixel 3 XL was able to claw back the lead and, in fact, overtake the Kirin 980 and come in actually a clear 12 seconds ahead of the Mate 20 Pro there. So there you go. What do you think of that? So my name's Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, please tell me in the comments below, what do you think about the new Speed Test G format? Was it what you were waiting for? And tell me, were you surprised at the performance of the CPU of the Kirin 980? Were you shocked that the Pixel 3 won over in the end? Let's discuss it down in the comments below. Also, please share this video amongst your friends and on social media, and do subscribe to the channel. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.